Okay. Can we see my pen? Oh, it's backwards. Hang on. Oh, F12. Okay. Now we got it. Okay. So we're doing inequalities. So with inequalities, we graph them on a number line with your open or closed circles. So y'all have done this before. It's nothing it's not new. Okay. So we're going to talk about open and closed, and we'll move on to the other page. Okay, so these are your arrows, less than, greater than. You can open it up and see the words in there. So when you have a less than and greater than, you're going to have an open circle. And this will make more sense when we start graphing and everything. So open circles. The equal to, the line on the bottom, for me, I memorize those as being closed circles. If I see that line, I'm going to put a closed circle when I see these arrows. So the equal to just lets us know that it can be that answer and more. The inequality for this one with the open circle just means it cannot be that answer, but it can be multiple answers. So open, closed circles. Okay. So let's look at our other page. We'll come back to this. Okay, so inequalities. So these are going to have lots of different answers. So it says numbers that are bigger than -5. What are numbers that are bigger than -5?
-4.
-4?
-4 and above.
-4 and above. So -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, on and on and on and on. So multiple numbers. Okay. Bigger than is going to represent our greater than sign. Greater than arrow. Okay, so to graph it, since it's representing bigger than, we're going to go to the number of -5. Bigger than is going to be an open circle, because it's open because it's -5 bigger than -5. No, it's not, but it's -4 is, -3 is, and so on. So we're going to shade in the direction to the right, because all of these answers are going to be true. So for words, we're going to say all numbers greater than -5. Okay, so we're going to have many, many answers. So for the mathematical notation, this is where we're going to have a variable, which is our letter, our arrow, and then our number that we're looking at. We have lots of answers, so we can't say -4 is bigger than -5. -3 is bigger than -5. We've got to have some universal saying. So we put a letter. We're going to use X, our greater than symbol, -5. So this allows us to plug in any number to see if it's true. So -4, that makes it true. -3 makes it true. You can put 100. 100 makes that true. So that X represents all the numbers, many, many numbers. Okay, numbers smaller than or equal to 2. So what are numbers that are smaller than or equal to 2? 1. 2. What else? 0. -1, -2, so on. Yes. So equal to means it can also be 2. Is 2 equal to 2? Yes. So that's why it works. Since it says equal to, that's going to be a closed circle. So we're going to go to the number 2. We're going to put a closed circle. Okay, and then all of those numbers are shaded to the left. Okay, make sure you put an arrow at the end. The arrow lets us know that it continues on forever and ever and ever that direction. If you don't put an arrow, it just means that you stop at a certain point, but these go on forever. So for words, we have all numbers less than or equal to 2. And then our mathematical notation is going to be X less than equal to 2.